Welcome to AirWorks 2022. We're pleased to welcome over 600 people representing more than 46 countries who are here to learn about how drone technology is reshaping industries and redefining the future.
Our AirWorks helps push the industry forward because DJI is such an integral part of the industry. Whether it's public safety, like I'm involved in, or agriculture, mining, and other areas, DJI has played an integral part in this industry altogether.
AirWorks has been great because everybody's been able to get back face-to-face with each other rather than in an online environment. So they're able to network, collaborate so much better than we've been able to in the last couple of years with the pandemic. And that knowledge sharing, that sharing of different solutions by some of our solution providers in our ecosystem has been phenomenal.
I think AirWorks is just a great opportunity for people to share ideas and vision for the industry. I mean, we have some amazing customers, and if you think about how they actually take our technology and use it, it's always unpredictable. And so bringing everybody together to share those ideas and sort of think through like what future use cases could look like is just incredibly valuable.
The future of the drone industry is beyond visual line of sight, flying multiple drones at one time and having drones as an everyday tool. At the moment, it's all been on case studies and proving, but we need to now make it cost effective and look at those solutions of how we do that, and Drone in the Box is one of those that will make it work.
I work in the film and television industry, as well as being the CEO of the Drone Service Providers Alliance. So I use it on car commercials, I use it on Paramount movies, I use it on lots of different things. If DJI wasn't there, I wouldn't be able to do my job.
It's a place where everyone can come together, and that in-person interaction and seeing different solutions that are available helps bring a fuller understanding of what's going on to you. So I've had people who said, like, we're working together with this company, but actually seeing them in person, they were able to understand our issues a lot more clearer as we showed them in person what's going on. We have a better understanding to move forward. So it's those type of in-person connections and learning about solutions you didn't even know about before that's special on AirWorks side.
So as much as I hate to say it, I think the future of drones is autonomy. The reason I hate to say it is because I'm a pilot myself. I love to fly the drones, but I think that looking at the DJI dock, that is kind of evidence that we're moving towards this autonomous future where drones are able to control themselves, capture data, and all of those things. So that's going to be really exciting to see.
I'm a wildlife biologist, and the problem we have with wildlife is we want to collect data without sort of harassing the animals. And we don't want the act of collecting the data to change the data. And before drones, before these incredibly user-friendly drones that DJI offered, and I think we're right on the beginning of sort of the use of drones for wildlife conservation.
Thank you so much for coming to AirWorks 2022. We are so appreciative of all of the speakers on all of the panels. It was extremely informative, and we loved learning about how the industry is moving forward. We hope you can join us next year.